Today we're working on a 2018 Mercedes C300 with a misfire. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So one of the first things that we'll do is we try to find out which cylinder's misfiring. On this case, it would be number 1. The simplest thing to do is swap ignition coils and spark plugs to see if it stays in number 1 or moves. And in this case, it moved. And so we haven't quite finished our diagnostics on this one, but the process next would be if we have no vacuum leaks or anything like that, then we're probably not getting enough fuel in the cylinder, and most likely we have an injector problem if we don't have a wiring issue on this particular car. Hope that helps you understand a little bit about the process to diagnose a misfire on a Mercedes C300. Thanks for watching. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.